Hey guys, anyways, Hope here. Welcome back to the channel. Today is officially the launch day of Apple Watch 6th generation. Now you can pick up one of these at your local Best Buy or electronics store. You can pre-order it or order it directly from Apple's website. Today in this video, we're going to take a look at one of the two new colors. This is the deep blue on the aluminum chassis with the 44mm size. Now, there's also a red color that I did order as well. But in this video, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the Apple Watch 6th generation deep blue or navy blue. So let's go ahead and unpack it here quickly. There it is. The deep blue on the box. Nothing much, just the color and the Apple Watch and the watch band. So let's go ahead and place this to the side. There's really nothing else there. This year we do not get a power brick. So Apple is no longer shipping the power brick. This is of course the band. So let's go ahead and take a look at the band first. All right, so the packaging, as always, very clean. You have some instructions on the inside here, and there they are. You have the smaller for the smaller wrist, and then the longer one for the bigger wrist. So there we go. Let's go ahead and put that aside here, and let's take a look at the actual watch itself. So let's go ahead and unbox it here. And what else do we have? So very interesting. Apple now went with the blue cover for the casing. We'll take a look at the watch here in a few seconds. Let's head on over to this paperwork here and see what else comes inside. So we do get the cable, but we don't get the charging brick. So that's something new there that Apple is no longer doing, I guess, for environmental reasons is what they're claiming. So there we are, more instructions on how to use it, how to charge it, etc. We already know all that. Set that aside, and here it is, the Apple Watch 6th generation in deep blue or navy blue. So let's go ahead and slide right out of the packaging here, and there it is. So the color is truly really nice. So there it is. If you decide to pick one of these up, that is exactly what it's going to look like. So hopefully the camera will do it justice. There is the actual color, navy blue. I'm not sure if I want to wear a navy blue Apple Watch every single day, but we'll have to wait and see how I adjust to this one. As I mentioned, I'm also waiting for the product red version. Of course, new on this one is a new sensor, which is the oxygen sensor. We'll take a look at that here in a few seconds. Let me go ahead and set it up and we'll be right back. All right, so as we set up Apple Watch Series 6, by the way, you can now set up more than one Apple Watch per iPhone. In case you did not know, I wanted to compare to last year's generation, and you can tell right away the sizes are identical. They're the same width. Heavy is the same, so it's not heavier or lighter this year around. On the back is where the things change. Right here, the oxygen sensor is now on the back with infrared, something that's not present on the previous generation, obviously, as you see here. And in terms of performance, the 6th generation is going to be faster, obviously 2 times faster, and the always on display is brighter as well. So a few key differences here aside from the colors. Everything else pretty much looks identical in terms of the body, the build, the weight, the width, everything else in between. So let's go ahead and finish setting up this Series 6 Apple Watch. All right, so we are all set up. As I mentioned, you can set up more than one Apple Watch per iPhone, and there it is, the new deep navy blue color on the Apple Watch 6th generation. So let's take a quick look here at the blood oxygen application. Click start, and you have to stay still for 15 seconds, and it should tell you what the oxygen levels are in your blood using that new infrared camera or sensors built into the back of the new Apple Watch 6th generation. So there it is. It should tell us here momentarily, and there we go, 99%. So that's definitely a good sign. There you guys have it, just a quick unboxing, a first look at the brand new Apple Watch 6th generation. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.